If I were a marine biologist, this would be my office. Today at the Ucluelet Interpretive Center, we learned about what it takes to become a marine biologist and what it is they do every day. First, we had to learn about the ecosystem and the local marine life that marine biologists study here, the Pacific Rim. The Pacific Rim National Park Reserve is made up of 3 sections. They study kelp ecosystems, and kelp forests aren't too different from rainforests. They have usually a large canopy, and that would be bull kelp, and they have an undergrowth of all kinds of sea plants on the ocean floor, just like in a rainforest. And of course, the ocean floor is packed with a huge ecosystem. Thousands of underwater creatures call it their home. There are creatures living in the canopy on the ocean floor and swimming in between. These kelp forests are like big communities. They have all kinds of species, like different kinds of rock cod, lingcod, anemones, urchins, crabs, clams. There's an endless list of life that calls our ocean their home. So, how do they get their data? Well, marine biologists suit up in dry suits, which are very different from wetsuits, and they're covered from head to toe. Then they go on dives. Once they're down there, about 10 meters, they lay a long measuring tape down on the ocean floor. It's called a transect line. Once all the fish settle, 2 marine biologists, one on each side of the transect line, start swimming along the ocean floor. Each of them have a 2-meter measuring stick. They go along and they measure every fish, every little crawler, everything that they see, and they relay the information to the surface. Now, once they get the information, it's back to the lab, where they enter it and start analyzing it. Then they write up articles and spread them out wherever they can to tell people all about the data that they've collected. They speak at seminars and conferences. They take people on interpretive walks on Long Beach and other places, and they give educational talks like the one that we had this afternoon. The more we know about our underwater communities, the better stewards we can become, and we can protect these special creatures and conserve them for generations to come. For more information on events like educational talks that we had today, visit PacificRimWhaleFestival.com under the events page. I love the ocean.